Hi guys! Welcome to my channel and today mag-unbox tayo ng Nintendo Switch Lite. Okay. Tada! So ito, Nintendo Switch Lite. Kinuha ko color yellow and ang price niya is 12,000. Right, so let's proceed with the unboxing. Tada! Then, yun po siyang wires and yung cable. So, ito na yung pinakalaman niya. Bali, yung device, yung cable, and yung manual. So, yan. So, ito yung device. Plastic siya. Tignan natin siya. Tada! So, yan. Bali. Okay, so meron tayong buttons here at the top. Yeah. Yan. So meron tayo yung power, yung volume, yung exhaust, 3.5mm headphone jack, and yung card, game card. Ayan, so sa kabilang side naman, sa ilalim, we have the speakers, left and right, and then Type-C, and yung serial. So turn on na natin siya. So, there. So, screen niya is 5.5 inch screen compared sa 6.2 sa regular Switch. Okay, so setting up lang muna yung device. So, sa colors naman, aside from this one, yellow, they also have turquoise and gray. Tapos meron ding limited edition na Pokemon which is lalabas around November. Accessories, marami na available na accessories on Data Blitz and online. So mga cases, hard cases, yeah. So for Switch Lite, available sa sila. I have here sample accessories na binili ko rin sa Data Blitz. Around 250 and 3-in-1 na siya which is okay. Yung case, yung screen protector, and yung cleaning kit. So, ayan siya. So, buksan na natin. Marami ring available na different brands ng cases dun sa Data Blitz. Yung iba, hindi lang sila 3-in-1. Wala silang screen protector. So, kinuha ko na to since 3-in-1 na siya. So, ito yung screen protector and ito naman yung cleaning kit niya. Tapos ito yung pinaka-case niya na merong lalagyan ng game cards. Then, may konting grip siya dito sa side. And yun, medyo powdery feel siya. Parang halong plastic silicone. Hindi siya, malambot siya, pero parang hybrid siya ng silicone plastic. Ano bang material gamit nito? Hindi naka-label eh. So, yun. Flexible TPU. Yan. So, and compared naman sa ibang Switch cases na available, ito naman, wala siyang masyadong cover sa harap. Which is bad or good, depende sa inyo. Kasi, good siya in a way na hindi niya magkakaroon ng parang same level ng cover yung mga buttons. Pero yun, minus protection lang siya sa harap. So, kabit na natin here. Okay, so yung turquoise yung pinili kong kulay para maiba naman. So, may blend ng yellow and turquoise yung switch ko. So, yeah, tada! So, ito na siya. Cover natin yung differences. Pero makikita nyo sa website. Ilagay ko na lang yung link below. Play modes, yun nga lang. Handheld mode lang yung pwedeng gawin sa Switch. Compatible games, lahat lang na nagsusupport ng handheld mode. Explain ko na rin details after. Joy-Con controllers, meron sa original. Dito wala. Naka-attach na yung mga controllers niya on the side. So, and this one naman is using already the D-pad, which is yung single piece na directional button siya compared sa yung previous one, which is yung mga separate button siya. So, mas okay yung meron sa Joy-Con controllers is yung HD rumble, which is yung parang high precision na vibration siya. So, parang mas kaya nila magpa-feel ng, for example, shaking glass with ice. So, yan. Aside doon, sa Joy-Con din, meron din yung IR camera, which is works like proximity sensor, which is yung parang alam niya yung distance ng isang object. Even yung form din yung object. So, parang may kaya niya distinguish between paper, rock, scissors ng kamay. So, yun. So, may mga games na supported or gumagamit ng mga features na yun ng Joy-Con, which is hindi mo matatry using this Switch Lite. Unless, bumili ka ng sarili mong Joy-Con. Which is pwede naman. Mako-connect mo pa rin siya dito sa device mo. Nintendo Switch Dock. Yun. For Nintendo Switch Lite, wala siyang dock. Hindi mo siya makakabit sa TV. For the dimensions, comparing the size of this one to the regular Switch, mas malaki talaga yung regular Switch. So, mas maganda yung grip niya sa kamay. Saktong-sakto. Weight is 0.61 pounds for this one. Sa Lite, then sa regular Switch is 0.88 pounds. Sa screen naman, as I said earlier, Switch Lite only comes with 5.5-inch screen. Touch screen pa rin naman. And yung sa Switch, regular Switch is 6.2. Okay, so for the battery life, for the Switch Lite, meron siyang 3 to 7 hours. Depende siyempre sa game. While yung new model na Switch is from 4.5 to 9 hours. So, ang kinuha kong game, The Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening. So, open natin siya. Okay, then set natin yung game. Tada! So, ayan. Meron na siya. Pull natin yung volume. Max. Set natin yung viewing angle. White. Naman. Bakit ka bibili ng Switch Lite? Siguro portability. Kasi mas maliit to kaysa sa regular Switch. Hindi mo kailangan yung mga additional features, which is yung sa attach sa TV, yung Joy-Cons, and other stuff. Pero yung mga iba is pwede namang gawa ng workaround, such as pwede tayong bumili ng sariling stand, which is pwede naman ito maging naka-stand. And then, bumili rin ng sariling Joy-Cons kung kailangan natin yung features ng Joy-Cons. Yun lang, yung Type-C niya is hindi mo ma-output papuntang HDMI, papuntang TV. So, dito lang talaga yung pinaka-screen niya. So, guys, na-try ko na siya siyang laruin for a couple of minutes. And tried using Smash Brothers. So far naman, okay naman yung mga controls. Still naman may sense of lalim naman yung mga buttons. The size is just fine. And hindi naman ako nangawit so far sa paglalaro. Yung screen was clear. Controls, yung mga directional buttons, sobrang accurate naman. Super good. Recommended sa mga, yan nga, hanap ng portable handheld version ng Switch. And for me, in my case, kasi meron akong PS4. So, yung PS4 is para dun sa TV. And for parang portable gaming is itong Switch Lite for me. So, yun. Ang first two games ko is Zelda and yung Smash Brothers. Ito is yung fighting game and ito is adventure game. So, remake siya ng old game. So, there you go. My review for the Nintendo Switch Lite. If you guys have comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below. And please do give a thumbs up if you guys learned something. And feel free also to ask questions. I'll check it out from the comments below. And then, please do subscribe. And I'll be having more other product reviews. Iba-ibang klase siya. So, yun. Thanks, guys.